In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep certain emails out of your CRM by adjusting the Hubspot log and track settings. If you're juggling multiple communications every day, it's important to have control over which emails make their way into your CRM, ensuring that it's filled only with the relevant information you need. Let's dive right into the steps. First, you're going to want to head over to the Hubspot homepage. If you're not familiar with it, Hubspot is a platform that offers a suite of tools designed to help your business manage its operations seamlessly, including marketing, sales, content management, and customer service. On the homepage, you'll see a login button. Give that a click to access your account. Once you've logged into your Hubspot account, you'll arrive on the Hubspot homepage. From here, we need to navigate our way to the settings. Look for the settings icon. Usually you'll find it in the upper right corner of your dashboard. Click on it to open up a world of options you'll need to tailor your CRM accordingly. Now that you're in the settings menu, let's focus on the email section. It's one of the crucial segments where you can configure how emails are handled within your CRM. Select email from the options you see. This step is crucial because it's where you establish the groundwork for managing email activity tracking in your CRM. Next, once you're in the email settings, look for the option labeled Email Logging Settings. Click on this. It's going to bring you deeper into the customization part. Here you can specify which kind of emails you want to be logged and tracked, or in this case, which you would prefer to exclude from your CRM records, ensuring you maintain only pertinent email records. Now, as you navigate through these settings, you'll need to click on Email, Log and Track. This section allows you to further refine and define the conditions under which your emails are logged. You have the flexibility to make selections that best align with your workflow and business needs, particularly focusing on what should remain outside the CRM realm. By following these thoughtful configurations, you'll have a CRM that captures exactly what needs capturing, free from unnecessary clutter. Customizing your email logging settings ensures that your CRM remains an efficient and effective tool in your business operations. And there you have it. We've walked through the steps to keep specific emails from being logged in your HubSpot CRM. This level of control will not only help in maintaining the quality and relevance of your CRM, but also safeguards it against information overload. Thanks for following along in this tutorial. Keep exploring the settings in HubSpot to ensure it fits perfectly with your business needs.